I lost tonight $20. At least $20 only. I have a limit of $20 just to spend for gambling. And that's it, guys. That's it. No more than $20. Pauli kong luhaan. Kaya wala ko makadaog. Napildi kong $20. Lisod yun yung tita sugarol. Kaya mapildi yun.
1,000 peso going down the drain.
Napildi. Di malas ang bisdak.
Okay, where we park?
I think out there. Somewhere out there.
Over there, I think.
Yeah, in this. Why, Delilah?
Okay, that's enough.
Di pa usao na pildi. Di usao.
That's enough. Let's go.
Na pildi $20.
Let's go.
Ay, uwian ng luhaan. Pildi. Dimalas, wa nakadaog. Pagka dimalas jud sa bisdak. Sige na lang. At least $20 ang napildi. Sugal pa more.